What's the meaning of Anchorage? Anchorage. 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 Anchorage.
Anchorage refers to a secure place where a ship can be anchored or moored. It can also refer to a city in Alaska, United States. As a noun, it describes the act of anchoring or the condition of being anchored. Anchorage is essential for ships to remain stationary in a safe location, especially during inclement weather. In Alaska, Anchorage serves as a hub for commerce, transportation, and culture, surrounded by stunning natural landscapes. Overall, Anchorage denotes a sense of security and stability in various contexts.